Hey guys, it may sound super simple, but I still run into a ton of people who are shocked they weren't washing properly. So I'm putting all of my tips and tricks into one video so you can get amazingly clean hair in just 3 easy steps. The first step is using the right products. If you care about the way your hair looks, you must be using professional shampoo and conditioner. Drugstore brands will leave a layer of oil and buildup on your hair. So yes, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's also cheaper than a Starbucks habit. The second step is applying your shampoo in the right places in the right amounts. That way you can get everything clean without having to waste any shampoo. You don't want to dump it all into your hands at first. You want to take a little bit and put it in the top back of your head. This is the dirtiest part of your hair. What you want to do is put it all the way up on the scalp and start working it in back there. Take a decent amount of your palm, rub it together, and do 1 swipe on the top of your head. Rub it together again, and do 2 swipes on the sides of your head. Next, you want to lather that up until you get a ton of bubbles. If you're not getting a lot of bubbles, it's not clean yet. Depending on how dirty your hair was, you may need to do a second wash. Just remember, this only applies to professional shampoo. Drugstore brands will bubble no matter what. You probably noticed we didn't apply any shampoo to the mids or ends. That's because only the scalp produces oil, so we're focusing on that area. If you feel like you have product buildup in your mids and ends, you can always bring down some lather from the top, but never apply shampoo directly to your mids or ends. The third and final step is conditioner. You want to focus it mainly on your ends. You never want to put it up by your scalp because it'll make your roots feel oily and gross and heavy. One thing I do for some clients to be a little bit extra is I apply conditioner to the bottom half of the mids in addition to the ends. I do that for a little bit more hydration, but if you have super fine hair that struggles with heavy products, only put the conditioner on your ends. And that is how you shampoo like a pro. Try that out the next time you wash your hair, and if you need to pick up more shampoo, you can always visit my online store with all of my favorite products. The link is in the description.